Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs in the microwave. This method is incredibly quick and perfect for busy mornings. First, you'll need 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Grab a microwave-safe bowl, about 2 cups in size, and lightly grease it with butter or cooking spray. This simple preparation ensures your eggs won't stick. Now, crack your 2 eggs into the greased bowl. Add the 1 tablespoon of milk, along with your pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk everything together really well until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook on high for 30 seconds. You'll notice the edges of the eggs just beginning to set, which is exactly what we want. After the first 30 seconds, carefully remove the hot bowl from the microwave. Take a fork and gently stir the partially cooked eggs, breaking up any larger curds. This helps them cook evenly. Put the bowl back in for another 30 to 45 seconds. Keep an eye on them. You want the eggs mostly set, but still a little moist for that perfect fluffy texture. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, remove them from the microwave and let them rest for about 1 minute. This crucial step allows the residual heat to finish cooking them perfectly, ensuring they are wonderfully fluffy. Serve your delicious microwave scrambled eggs immediately. They are fantastic with a sprinkle of cheese, fresh chives, or a side of toast. Enjoy your quick and easy meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.